Check and confirm RV hole size. Turn off the power. Turn off the water valve. Close the gas valve. Turn off the product startup switch. Leave the black and red wires as power wires. Remove the control switch from the old product. Unplug all the plugs, leaving 2 red wires. Remove the 2 red wires from plug. Connect the 2 wires together. Pass the wire through the hole. Remove inlet pipe. Open the pressure relief valve to relieve pressure and drain. Remove the inlet and outlet pipes. Remove the 9 screws securing the product. Remove the old product. Cut open the sealing tape. Take out the accessories. Take out the product. Take out the desiccant. The RV door frame must be purchased separately. Tighten the screws, securing the door frame to the product. Fix the base of the line controller in a suitable position. Place the product to the installation hole. This RV water heater must be installed at the angle the machine is placed in the video, not tilted or sideways. Install the water inlet pipe. Install the water outlet pipe. Connect a DC 12V external power supply to the water heater, positive red. Connect the water heater's ground wire to the power source's ground wire and connect the extension cord for the wired remote control, negative black. Pull the line controller connection cable from the line controller mounting location to the product mounting location and connect the wiring. Place the water heater into the mounting hole. Apply sealant around the door frame. Fix the water heater with screws X12. Pass the gas tube through the wire guard ring and tighten onto the 5/8" UNF gas fitting. Wipe off any excess glue. Install the water heater door in place with screws X4. Turn on the product power switch to start the product. Open the gas valve. Perform a gas seal test. Open the inlet and outlet valves. Simultaneously carry out the sealing test. Open the faucet. Check the product startup.